Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save InShot video. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to export your videos in InShot, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now choose your preferred option. Here, click on New to create a new project and choose any video that you want to edit. For now, I'll choose this video and click here to add it to our timeline. Now what I'm going to do is add different effects to it and filters to it. And once you're happy with your video, to export the video, simply click on Export option. And you can also see different options like resolutions, frame rates, format, and also the size of the video. So simply click on Export to export the video. And just like this, we have saved the InShot video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.